Are you tired of looking at those enlarged pores staring back at you in the mirror? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Vaike. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 tips to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores. So if this is something that interests you, keep watching the video. Now tip number 1 is to cleanse your skin twice daily with the right cleanser. So you can opt for double cleansing method. You can use an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm as your first cleansing step. So this will help in removing all the impurities and it will help in melting down the makeup as well as the sunscreen, and it will help in removing the dirt and impurities effectively. For the second cleanse, you can use a gentle non-comedogenic cleanser that removes dirt, oil and makeup without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Over-cleansing can actually make your pores look worse. So look for ingredients like low percentages of salicylic acid. It will help in just unclogging your pores, and it will also help in minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores over time. Now tip number 2 is to exfoliate weekly using AHAs or BHAs. So AHAs are basically alpha hydroxy acids. Some examples are glycolic acid, lactic acid and mantelic acid, whereas BHA is beta hydroxy acid. So salicylic acid is basically a BHA which has keratolytic properties, and it will help in unclogging the pores. It will help in minimizing the formation of blackheads, whiteheads, and it will also help in minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Now when we talk about AHAs or alpha hydroxy acid, so you can use glycolic acid if you have an oily or combination skin type, but always use lower percentages of glycolic acid when you're using at-home treatments, because higher percentages might irritate your skin. So you have to be very considerate and look for percentages that work for your skin type. For higher percentages of chemical peels, you can visit your dermatologist and get in-clinic treatments for yourself. You can also go for mantelic acid in your skincare routine. So it is more gentle than glycolic acid. So these AHAs help in removing the dead skin cell layers, as well as it will also help in refining the pores, and it will give a smoother texture to your skin over time. However, if you have a very dry skin, you can opt for lactic acid in your skincare routine. Just remember, don't over exfoliate your skin. You can exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. Now tip number 3 is to use retinoids in your skincare routine. Retinol and its prescription counterpart retinoid are gold standard ingredients for minimizing the appearance of pores. They increase cell turnover and boost collagen production, which tightens the skin around your pores, making them less noticeable. Tip number 4 is to use niacinamide in your skincare routine. Now, niacinamide is a form of vitamin D3 and it is an amazing ingredient to incorporate in your daily skincare routine. Niacinamide is very skin friendly. It helps in regulating sebum production, it prevents sun damage, it helps in even out your skin tone, and eventually it will help in minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. It also helps in strengthening the skin barrier and improves skin elasticity. Now, tip number 5 is to wear a good broad spectrum sunscreen daily in your skincare routine. Now, if you're applying various expensive products but not applying sunscreen daily in your skincare routine, doing nothing good for your skin, because UVA and UVB rays can damage your skin. It can lead to dark spots, and it will also enhance the appearance of pores on your skin. So always opt for a good broad spectrum sunscreen. So whenever you're looking for a sunscreen, go for at least SPF 30 and PA3+. I personally like to use SPF 50 and PA4+ sunscreens for my skin type. You can offer either mineral sunscreens which contain zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, or chemical sunscreen, or a hybrid sunscreen which contains both chemical as well as mineral filters. If you have an oily or combination skin type and you are afraid to use sunscreen in your skincare routine, you can look for lightweight, non-breezy option designed for oily or combination skin types. Now tip number 6 is to stay hydrated with moisturizers. Now people have this misconception that if they have an acne-prone or oily skin type, they don't need a moisturizer in their skincare routine. That is completely a wrong skincare approach. I can tell it because I have done it in my past. When I was a teenager, I didn't used to apply moisturizers on my skin because my skin was very oily. I used to get a lot of acne. So I used to think that my skin is already oily. Why do I need to apply a moisturizer? It will make me look more greasy. But now you can find very lightweight moisturizers which are oil-free, which are non-comedogenic, which can be easily incorporated in your skincare routine. And when you apply moisturizers according to your skin type, it will help in regulating sebum production. Because if you don't apply a moisturizer, if you have an oily skin, it will result in more sebum production, more clogging of pores, more acne, and more enhanced enlarged pores. So always opt for a non-comedogenic oil-free moisturizer if you have an oily, combination or acne-prone skin type. For more drier skin types, you can opt for more ceramide-based moisturizer or peptide-based moisturizer in your skincare routine. Tip number 7 is to use clay mask weekly. Clay masks, especially those with kaolin or bentonite, work like a vacuum for your pores. They draw out excess oil and impurities, giving your skin a smoother matte finish. Use a mask 1 to 2 times a week for best results. You can include masks with Centella ischiatic extract or salicylic acid as an exfoliating mask. So you can combine different types of masks according to your skin need and skin type. Now tip number 8 is to avoid comedogenic makeup. You can clog pores, especially if it's heavy or comedogenic. So offer lightweight non-comedogenic foundations and always remove your makeup at the end of the day and your pores will thank you. Tip number 9 is consider professional treatments. Now if your pores are still a major concern, professional treatments like chemical peels, microneedling or laser therapy can help. These treatments boost collagen production and tighten your skin, significantly reducing pore size. Number 10 is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Now don't underestimate the power of a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep and avoid smoking. All these factors contribute to overall skin health, which helps in minimizing pores over time. And this is from my personal experience when I started eating more fresh fruits, more antioxidant-rich foods, more fiber-containing foods, getting more sleep, as well as exercising daily and keeping my skin hydrated by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water every day. It gave a significant impact on my skin. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.